Hello everyone and welcome back to A1. This is just another one of our projects again today. As you can see, we're digging out this area here all the way along this section so we can put a concrete bay in. We're reinforcing it back, also putting some fencing up. We'll put the concrete bay in from here all the way along. Quite hard to get through, a lot of concrete, a lot of concrete in it. A lot of big rock boulders in it also as well. As you can see, we're getting through it quite good. Please stay tuned with us and have a look on our next stages. For stage 2, when we're reinforcing it and putting the concrete bay in.